Welcome to the SHARE SLAM S20 tutorial. Open the box. Inside, you will find scanner, positioning baseplate, charger, battery handle, magnetic phone holder, card reader, manual, lens cloth, and data cable. Check that all items are complete and undamaged. Attach the positioning baseplate to the battery handle. Connect the battery handle to the LiDAR head. Here a click. Installation complete. Short press, then long press. Power on. Wait for the blue indicator light. Device is ready. Scan the QR code to download Share Capture. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the app and tap Connect Device. After connection, attach your phone to the magnetic phone holder. Place the device on a flat surface. Tap Start. Enter project name. Set the shooting interval. Standard mode. 2 seconds recommended. 3 DGS mode. Interval fixed. Remove the LiDAR protective cover. Tap Next to initialize. Do not move the device. Wait for the point cloud to appear. Initialization complete. Pick up the device and start scanning. Top bar shows device status, working time, storage, RTK status, and battery level. Tap Settings in the upper right corner. You can configure the point cloud display and the RTK. You can set the point size and density, point cloud transparency and focus. On the right side, you can also adjust the view mode and rendering mode. After your scan is completed, tap End. Wait about 15 seconds to save data. Power off only after saving completes. To use the RTK function, you need to configure RTK before scanning. Open Settings RTK. Enable RTK. Tap Edit Account. Select the account type and enter the password. Select desired coordinate system. When setup success, the RTK configuration is complete. Tap the RTK icon to check status. Wait for RTK fixed before scanning. To collect control points, tap Control Point during scanning. Align the crosshair with the control point. After setting the number, keep device still for 10 seconds. Continue scanning after collection. When using the control point function, please pay attention to the control point calibration. At least 4 control points need to be collected. Do not place them in a straight line. During the scanning operation, the following guides can help you get better point cloud results. Recommended scanning speed, under 1 meter per second. Hold device in front of your body. Scan corners carefully. Rescan if data is missing. If encountering pedestrians, wait for them to pass and scan back. To remove excess noise, tilt the device upward when scanning the facade. In small rooms, pause at each corner, recording the data completely. Thank you for watching.